This planet-friendly hack shows viewers how to turn everyday kitchen scraps into a no-waste fridge deodorizer. First, dry coffee grounds and citrus peels, mix with baking soda, and bind with fabric to form a breathable sachet. The sachet sits on the shelf, neutralizing odors while citrus scent eases the need for plastic air fresheners. Weekly swap in fresh scraps to keep costs near zero and waste tiny. Viewers are invited to share their hacks in the comments to kickstart the planet-friendly fridge revolution.